Everybody does what everybody does because that's what everyone does. We like to follow the herd. We naturally, by our DNA, follow the leader. We want to conform. We want to succeed in what society gives chashivos and significance to, if it's money, if it's fame, even if it doesn't make sense to us. We just don't want to stick out. Experiment after experiment has been conducted by science laboratories and famous scientists, people that study the human race, about how if everyone's told to say something, even though they know it's wrong, people will generally follow that crowd because they don't want to be the odd one out and maybe get it wrong and look stupid. And while following the rules and conforming, following conventional wisdom isn't always a terrible thing. After all, there are 613 rules we all must conform and abide by. So it's a good thing. But to mindlessly follow, to not even give thought to what you give value to and to what actually makes sense would be a grave sin. It would be a royal shame. And just with the very first two words of our parsha, lech, lecha, Avraham, go. Go for yourself. The entire genesis of Hebrews, of Judaism, with those two words. And suggesting my own pshat here, what if it meant lech, lecha, go for yourself, Avram. Go be an iconoclast. Go for yourself. Think for yourself. Do for yourself. Become Avraham Ivri. Even though your father and grandfather, they all give all the importance to something, and the rest of the world sees it one way, don't be afraid to drive in the other direction. Become Avraham Ha'ivri, the one who was on the Aver, on the other side. Avraham Ha'ivri, who thought differently, who lech lecha, who went for himself. It's our job to do the 613 mitzvos, but it is our obligation in our lifetime to figure out ma chovaso ba'olamo, what is my unique obligation in the world? What talents do I have? What is my background? What is my setting? What can I accomplish and what can I do to maximize my opportunities and my gifts in this world? Think about it deeply. Think about it honestly. And lech lecha, go for yourself and fulfill your obligation in this world.